I'm going to discuss Dan. So every time እንትን ስንነጋገር ሰዎች ብዙ ጊዜ አይደለም እኮ አንዳንድ ቤሲክ የሆኑ ነገሮች ስናገር አይ ዘፍጥረት ላይ እንደሚለው ምናምን ሲሉን no that's just your fantasy እና there's such እና ዘውልደት የሚል ሀሳብ መጣልኝ. This came to me actually yesterday. You want to know?
No, I was there.
You remember you were there? That's kind of how I come up with things.
ሀሳቡ ሲወለድ ነበርኩ.
ሀሳቡ ሲወለድ ነበር. ምስክር አለ እዚህ ራሱ ደስ ይላል. And now I was like, Zefitrat, what are you talking about? Let's talk about Zawuldat, which is the reality that we have actual evidence for. Experience ያረግናቸው ነገሮች ናቸው ዘውልደት የምንላቸው ነገሮች. Actual in our reality experience ያረግናቸው ነገሮች. የወለዳችሁ ሰዎች we experience ዘውልደት ማለት ነው. ሲወለድ የነበራችሁ ሰዎች ሰው ሲወለድ አቴንድ ያረጋችሁ ሰዎች the process of birth ምናምን ሐኪምም የሆናችሁ ሰዎች ብቻ experience ያረጋችሁ ሰዎች you have experienced ዘውልደት. Zefitrat is an illusion. Okay, it's a story. It's in the realm of the imagination. Okay, nobody saw that. Those are just stories. So what over the years develop adirgo. They replaced the reality with the illusion. Okay, we're confusing illusion with reality. So the reality is that you, each and every one of you, join this realm, the physical realm or whatever we call it, materialism. ብዙዎቻችሁ materialistic ስለሆናችሁ ማለት ነው. materialistic ስላችሁ you like the objects are like በእኛ immediate reality ውስጥ ያሉት objects they are real ብለን ብዙዎቻችን ላይ በ3D ዓለም ላይ ስለሆነ function እናደርገው until we vanish ማለት ነው ግን until this dissolves ከሚያደርግልን so ወደዚህኛው ማቴሪያል ወርልድ ላይ ጆይን ያደረግነው በውልደት ነው ኦኬ እየተወለድን ነው ጆይን ያደረግነው እና that's what we know ሁላችንም ኤክስፒሪየንስ የምናደርገው ሪያሊቲ ነው we can actually observe that happen okay versus ዘፍጥረት ላይ ያለው ስቶሪ ግን that's pure imagination. Nobody saw that. Nobody experienced that. Those are stories written by imaginative people, which is good. Imagining is not a bad thing.